How do you really tell where you're losing time to in your log data? Yeah, great question. And because there's a couple of different answers to this. One is, and you're probably not going to like this one, but I'll give you an alternative as well, is we do recommend that if you've got the ability to get a more skilled driver into your car, whether it's about using a friend's data or whether it's about hiring a professional, this really is like a really cheap way to improve your performance. Yeah, it might cost you a little bit of money to get a pro into your car, and all local tracks, or certainly almost all local tracks, have a local pro that you can hire to get into your car and do some laps and do some driver training with you. You know, maybe this might cost you a couple of $100s, but this, in terms of upgrading other parts of your car, in terms of upgrading your engine, your suspension, spending even a set of tires, like this is really not a lot of money to compare. Now, if you've got a log data system on there, you can go ahead and capture their data, and you've got a huge amount you can do to be able to compare yourself to. Now, that's one option. Maybe there's some situations that you're not going to have that professional data to compare against. It's really a case of, there's a couple of different answers here. There's some basic driving technique things that you'll pick up both from that driver course and from the data analysis course yourself, that you'll be able to go ahead and compare those different driving techniques to just by having that log data in the first place. That's the first thing. The second thing is it gives you the ability to try different things on different laps and then go ahead and overlay, see which one worked better, which parts of track you gained time on, which parts you lost on. So there's two parts to that. The time variance channel is obviously one, and another good way to summarize that, which I touched on before, is using the sectors as well, understanding which laps you are stronger and weaker, and using that to point you towards which parts of the log data you should be digging into as well. That question was taken from one of our free live lessons. If you like free stuff and want to expand your knowledge, click the link in the description to claim your free spot to our next live lesson. You'll learn about how to log and understand data, and how to use that data to improve your performance and consistency on track. Plus, you'll have the chance to ask your own questions, which we'll be answering live.